In this video, we're gonna turn disaster into design. In less than 150 bucks. So let's start. It's time to take this old man apart and build him back stronger. If you ever dreamed of building something out of nothing, hit subscribe. This channel not just a project, it's a journey, and I want you with me. Lights turn green, I take the left, and out of nowhere, it's look pretty bad, but thank God nobody got hurt. 1 second I'm vibing with snacks. Next second the magic bus get slammed. Ladies and gentlemen, there is pros and cons to living on the road. This is just one of them. The insurance company said they can see me only in 3 weeks driving around looking for parking for the night. 3 weeks later, it's about time to start working on the door. There is this bolt that sit here. So I went in with a screwdriver and a hammer and I broke the roller that around it. It was easy to take the door apart. You just need to break the underneath and repeat in the other side as well. Repeat in the other side, and this is your worst enemy. This is your worst enemy. You see here on top. Yeah, I tried many things to remove it. I got help. This is Casey. Casey here helped me to try to cut it off. This metal piece is very thick. We tried to cut it off, we tried to saw it, many things. In the end we succeeded to break it. After that we just measured the door and we cut the door. You have to use solid wood door if you want to cut it. If you don't want to cut it and you have the right dimensions, so get any door that you want. After that we just took the hinge and we replace it in a new place. Then we took the door back and just nailed it straight to the frame. We used metal to metal screws and voila, the door is up. Then, because I live on the road in a Home Depot parking lot, I continued my work. Then I put a lock on the door. I got this lock because he have a fingerprint and I didn't felt comfortable to be on the road and have just the code when people can look from the corner and see the code. So it felt to me more secure. Couple days later I figure out the bolt of the lock doesn't succeed to lock until the end. So I had to make a hole in the frame of the bus himself. Took me for a while, almost. Here is just day after in some random parking lot. I just continued work. Success! And then I went to sleep.
Good morning!
It's hot.
Super hot.
Like 90 degrees. Really hot. It's hot.
Let's be positive. It's almost done. It looks amazing and it's gonna look even better when it's done. So let's go!
Look how much silicone there is in the doors. So if you want to reuse, if you want to save money, just remove all the silicone from the doors. Hey mama, because there is tons of silicone, so we could seal all around. So here I just took some Windex, cleaned the frame, took some the adhesive Gorilla Glue and I just put it around so the silicone could sit. And after I put all the silicone around, I closed the door and I let it sit for a while. Here I just had to fix this big hole that I got. So I got this metal from Home Depot. It cost me like around 12 bucks. It's flexible, it's not hard metal because the dent is not the straightest. So I improvised something to prevent the block. Here I use this material. This material is amazing. It's two materials, you can mix it with your hands and then it become hard as metal and it's glue metal to metal. So if you have anything that get broken in the car, anything that is metallic, you can use it. Look how beautifully here I sealed the holes in the floor of the door so bugs will not be able to come inside. As you can see, the improvisation that I did here, it's not something that it's like super professional, but it's work.
it just melt inside the metal.
Adding some silicone around it.
What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna paint today.
What are we gonna paint?
The bus.
What part of the bus?
The door and that crashed part.
The crash part.
Yep.
Ready?
I'm ready. Let's get it.
Do the-
Subscribe.
We will need to clean the door, okay?
Yep.
You see it's dirty?
Very dirty.
So, okay.
I'm gonna get the hose.
No.
But I want to paint.
Okay, come. You do your knees as well?
Here is the most satisfying part, is the end of the project. It's painting the door, painting the damage, and just make it look so nice and smooth. This is so satisfying. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you stick around until here, subscribe, don't be like that. Show me some love. And I'll see you in the next episode.